Hello everyone, today we are going to learn how to install WordPress theme. The WordPress theme controls your website layout and structure, colors and font, header, footer and sidebar design. Themes allow you to change your website's look without affecting your content. That is what this website theme does. All right, in case you are not aware or in case you don't know what website theme does, it controls your website structure. For example, this is a website. The structure and layout of this website is being controlled by the theme. The footer, the header is controlled by the theme. So to get a structure or a layout and a theme of footer on your website, if you are using WordPress, you need to first of all get a theme. You need to get a theme on your website before you can start making your design. Now, let's get started on how you can successfully install your theme on your website. Things to do before installing a WordPress theme. You need to make sure that you have your hosting and your website is live, and you can access your website. After that, we can now go ahead to install our theme. All right, so let's log in to our WordPress. We have successfully logged into our WordPress dashboard where we can customize our website. Now, to install theme on your website, you need to click on appearance. As you can see, if you hover on this appearance, you will see themes here and you will see editor. So we are not talking about editor for today. We are talking about themes. So when you hover on appearance, you click on theme by selecting theme. All right. So if you select theme, you now need to allow it to load. So as you can see, this is the active theme of this website. Now, if you view this website in the front end, okay, if you check it on front end, have you seen the way it looks like this because of the theme? Now, if you change the theme of this website, for example, if you activate this one, you will see that the structure of the website will change. Let's open in another tab. Okay, now have you seen the structure? Have you seen that the layout and the structure have changed because we changed the theme? Check this first one. This is the first one. Have you seen the structure of this first one? Have you seen how it looks? Then check this second theme. Have you seen how these ones look? Okay, have you seen how it looks? Now, if you activate another theme, this first theme is this one. Have you seen how the structure look like? Then this second theme is this one. Have you seen the structure? Okay, now we are going to install this last one and see how the structure will look like. Okay, let's open new tab. Okay, then have you seen? So the structure of your website is being determined by the kinds of theme you choose, by the kinds of theme you are using. Then, if you are using theme, not all themes are okay, all right? But themes can be determined based on the kind of project you are working on. And it's advisable to install or activate theme that you can easily customize. You cannot just select a theme that when you want to customize it, you'll be struggling on how to customize it. So that is why it's important to select a theme that you can easily customize. Then, for today's tutorial, we are focusing on how to install theme. Now, installing of theme on your website, we have two ways of installing your theme on WordPress. The first way of installing your theme on WordPress is either installing it direct from the WordPress or importing it from your file to the website. Loading on your WordPress dashboard or your WordPress website, you need to click on appearance. If you click on appearance, you will see add theme. This add theme is when you want to download the theme from the website, from the WordPress. Okay, if you click on add theme, then you can be able to see multiple themes available here. Then you select any theme of your choice. Here, if you check very well, there are a lot of themes you can use from this particular place. All right, then it depends on the kind of website you are building. Then you need to select any theme of your choice. All right, so there are a lot of themes here that you can select depending on what you are working on. All right, so if you check here now, you will see there are a lot of themes. You can select any theme of your choice. Okay, so let's go ahead and install a particular theme. For example, we want to install this Hello Elementor. Okay, just take a look at this default theme. Have you seen it? Have you seen how it looks? Have you seen how this default theme looks? Now we are going to uninstall it and install Hello Elementor. So you click on install. You allow it to install. Okay, once it finishes installing, you click on activate. So we have installed Elementor and activated it. So if you check on the structure or appearance of the website, you will see that it will change from this one to another beautiful look. Then let's see. This is the default look, the first default look, and the second default look, then the third default look. Then this is the one we installed. Have you seen how this one look? Have you seen how this one look now? So this particular one now has given the website another structural look. Then if you uninstall this Hello Elementor and install another theme, then you will still get different appearance or different structure. For example, we want to install this extendable. If you click on install, then you click on activate. Then let's open a new tab and check. Have you seen it? Have you seen how it looks like now? This is another one. This one is extendable theme. Have you seen it? It has given the website another look. So when you are making your design or when you finish designing your website, the appearance or the structure and the layout is going to look like this. All right, then this one is the Hello Elementor. So the structure and the layout of your website will look like this. Everything you are designing, it will give a layout of this nature. But it's not going to change your work. It's not going to change your content or change anything on your website. But it's going to give your website this structural look. All right. So, for example, if we check on Google that list a website with Hello Elementor theme. So let's see, so that you will see how the website will look. There are a lot of websites designed using Hello Elementor theme. So let's check this one now. So let's view the live. So have you seen it? So this website is designed with Hello Elementor theme. It was designed with Hello Elementor theme. So let's check here. Have you seen here? Have you seen here? Then let's see if we can see the website. Have you seen it? Okay. Have you seen it? Check. Have you seen it? So if you start designing, you get to understand what I'm trying to say. All right, so this is how you can install theme on your WordPress website. The second way that you can install theme on your website, on your WordPress website, is by importing the theme. So if you have a theme as a file, if your theme is not in this particular place and you have it as a file, or you have downloaded it as a file, for example, if you go to this website now, then you check on resources, then you click on marketplace, then you scroll down to templates. Let's see something like this. Let's check, let's search for one theme. Let's type Divi and search. Let's see. So this is Divi educational theme. So if you have a theme of this nature, okay, so if you download a theme like this, you click on add to cart, then you go to view cart, so you click on checkout. If you download this theme as a file, then to import it on your website, you need to click on upload theme. Okay, let's just start afresh. There are two ways to import it. Either you click on this plus sign, either you click here, or you come here and click on add theme, then you click on upload theme. So if you click on upload theme, it will bring you something like this. Then if you click on this place, choose file, it will direct you to your device file, that is to your system file where you have the theme. Then you will then go there and select the file. If you select the file, then you click open, the file will appear in this place. Once the file appears here, then you click on install. You click on install now. You automatically install the theme. It's very, very easy. This is how you can install theme on your WordPress website for free of charge. So there are a lot of themes here that you can select depending on the kind of website you are working on. I have already explained what is theme, and I have already made a video how to host your website. I have also published video how to install WordPress. All right, so you need to visit this channel to watch all the videos how to host your website and how to install your WordPress. After that, you can then be able to understand this particular one that we are doing. So in my next video, I will show you how to design your website on WordPress, all for free of charge. So if you find this video helpful, do wait to subscribe to this channel. Drop your comments in the comment section. If there is any question, write it in the comments. I will respond to you. Any kind of question at all, drop it in the comment section. Share this video to your loved ones. Anyone that wants to start learning web design, share this video to the person so that the person can benefit from this channel. This video is totally for beginners, people that want to start designing website from scratch. So don't forget to share and comment. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.